Hello kids, a very good morning to all of you. How are you doing today? Good kids. So now again we are back to a new math session. Today we are going to do recap of increasing and decreasing order. You all have learned what is increasing and what is decreasing. When we climb, when we go up, that is known as increasing, and when we come down, okay, that is known as decreasing. You all have staircase. When you will climb the staircase, from down you will reach up, yeah, that is increasing, because you go on increasing the step, that's why you have reached at a height. But when you come down the staircase, from height you come down, that is because you were coming in decreasing, you are coming down. Okay, so now today we are going to do activity in our maths observation book, page number 7, question number 7. Arrange the following numbers and increasing and decreasing order. Now we see the first. It is 927, 472, 824, 219. Kids, always you have to see the first digit which is at the place of 100. When the digit at the place of 100 are separate, so you have to solve your sum looking at the first digit only. But in case if the first digits are similar, then you have to look at the digit which is at tens place. Always keep this in mind, okay kids? Now here we see the first number is 9482. Now amongst which, tell me which is the highest number? 9. And which is the smallest? It is 2. So increasing means from small to big. So first in increasing order we are going to write the smallest digit, which is 219. Then after 2, 4. 4, 7, 2. After this 8, 24. And in the last it is 9, 27. Now decreasing is from big to small. So you have to write the reverse of increasing, which is 927, 824, 472 and 219. I hope you all understood what is increasing and decreasing. Increasing is small to big and decreasing is big to small. Always remember this in mind. Okay kids. Okay kids, now we will do addition. Now tell me, what do you mean by addition? Addition means summing up. When we combine two things, when we add on, that is known as addition. This also you have done in your earlier class, so we will do a quick recap of it. In your observation book on page number 7. Now we see the first sum. In anything, always you have to start from ones. From where you have to start doing things from ones. Now it is 2 plus 9. So 2 is in your mind and 9 fingers up. Then you have to start counting from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 over here and 1 is carry forward up. Okay. Now add on these 3 digits. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So your answer is 91. Similarly here, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 will come over here and 1 is carry up. So now you have to add on these 3 digits. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So kids, this is the way you have to do addition. Page number 7 in your observation book. Kids, I will be sending you the pics of all the homework along with answers which you have to do it. So this is just for example that how you have to do. It is as we are doing a recap, so ma'am is going a little faster. Okay kids. Okay kids, now we will move to subtraction. What do you mean by subtraction? When we subtract, when we remove on something, that is known as subtraction. Now looking at the first sum, what's the digit you can see at 9th place? It is 9 and here 4. So you have to subtract number 4 from 9. So 9 fingers up. When you subtract 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many are remaining? 5. Okay. And here 7. 7. When you subtract 3 from 7, how many fingers? 4. So what's the answer? 4, 5, 45. Now we look at this sum. This is 3 digits. Number is 7. Now kids, 7 is smaller. छोटे नंबर में से आप बड़ा नंबर माइनस कर सकते हो? नहीं. We can never minus. So in this case, what we have to do? You have to borrow one number from tens place. Now what 7 is going to do? 7 is going to borrow one number from tens place. So here the digit will become 17 and here it will come 1. Understood? So 17 minus 8. So count from after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Answer is 9. 1 minus 1, 0. And what is 3 minus 1? 2. So answer is 209. So in subtraction, what is the rule? That we can never subtract a smaller number from, we can never subtract a bigger number from smaller number. That you have to always keep in mind. Okay? And if the number is smaller, then what you have to do? You have to borrow one digit from number at tens place. If the digit at tens place is also not there, then you have to borrow digit from hundredths place. Always keep this in mind. Okay kids. Okay kids, now we will move on to multiplication. Multiplication, for multiplication table is very must. You should know your tables by heart. Then only you can do the multiplication sums. If you do not know your tables, so it is very difficult for doing multiplication and division as well. So kids, brush up with your tables. Learn them. Okay? It should be very hardly learned. Now in your observation book on page number 8, question number 11, it is fill in the blanks. I will show you only few sums, then you have to do the full exercise. I will send a photograph of exercise which you all have to do. Okay kids? Now looking at the first sum, 3 dash sa 18. In 3 table, when does 18 comes? Say a 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. So here the answer is 6. Very good kids. Now 3 nines are, come on, continue with your 3 table. 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. So this is the way you have to solve this multiplication sums. Okay kids? Now we move on to division. For division also, multiplications, knowing your tables is very necessary. Until you are by heart with your tables, you cannot do multiplications and divisions. So kids, please learn your tables very well. Okay? Okay kids, so let's solve the first sum. It is 45 divided by 5. So here we are going to write our division. Here we are going to write a division. So now tell me, in 5 tables, when Do we get number 4? No, because 4 is smaller than 5. That's why now we have to take this 2 digit. So 45, what 5s are 45? Come on, you have to say a 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So here you have to write 5 9s are 45. And what you get? 0. Now we proceed to the next sum. It is 36 divided by 4. So here you are going to write the divisor. Now start. In 4 tables when 36 comes? 3 comes? No. So then we have to take 2 digits. 3 6 36. So in 4 table 4 9s are 36. And here is the remainder 0. So this is how you are going to solve your division sums. So kids, I will be sending you the photographs of sums activities which you have to do in your observation book. Now it is enough for today. We will meet in the next maths class. Till then, you all stay at home, stay safe. Take care kids. Bye bye.